Hi everyone, for today I will make a video for how I do my individual assignment in AutoCAD, which is house planning. So here we go. So first we need to change our unit first. Sorry. So for type we will choose architectural, and for position we will choose 1:7. So you can set any other position if you want, and in this insertion scar I will select the inches, and then we change this and click OK. So now I start with the rectangle, and I will click anywhere in the drawing area to start the rectangle. So we need to make a rectangle with a length of 50 feet and a height of 31 feet, and for that I will type lion 50 feet, comma 31 feet, and press enter. So now let's go to the line tools, and then we go to this point and drag it upward and enter distance of 15 feet. And then we move in this direction and enter a distance of 12 feet and press enter. 12 feet. Then we move downward like that. Yes. Then we go to this point and move to this direction. We put sec feet. And move upwards. Then we use the line tool again. We create this point, and then we move to this direction and enter a distance of 10 feet. 10 feet. Okay. And then we need to move upward. Yes. Then we use the line tools again. Then we join it with this point and make sure it connecting this line in the intersection point. So next we need to add the thickness to the wall, and for that I will go to this offset tools, then enter distance of 10 inches, enter, and we click on this rectangle and click offset. Then we repeat the offset and the distance of 6 inches, and then we click on this upward direction. Okay, enter 6. Okay, one more 6 inch. This one also need to offset. Then we need to use the string to delete the unwanted line. String. Oops. Checking. Then it will be like that. So next we need to start adding 2 different blocks. So we start from the doors and the window. So for the door already have in the design center. Okay, so we type design center, enter. Then the door already have in the design center. Okay, so the door is too big, so we need to, the door should be 3 inches and the length for the door should be 3 inches and the height should be 3 feet. So I will enter a line 3 inches, comma, and 3 feet. Enter. Okay. I choose car. Exit point. Then the door will change. Sorry. Just want to move the door here. So before that, we need to add the layer properties. For layer properties, we need to add the new layers, which is door, windows, blocks, textures, text, and dimension. So we just create egg door, window, window, block, hatches, text, and dimension. And then we need to add color. Okay. For door, I prefer purple color. Window we choose orange. For block we choose yellow. We choose brown color. And then for text we choose blue color. And then for dimension we choose red color. Okay, done. So for door we put purple color. Okay, so we already have door. We need to choose two type of door. Okay. Oh my god, too big. Then we can choose scar, a lion, 3 inches, comma, 3 feet, enter. Where is the door? Okay. Sorry. We try again. Enter. Scar. Lion, 3 inches, comma, 3 feet, enter. Okay. The door we change the layer. We'll put here. Then for the windows, we need to drawing. So now we start to drawing the windows. So for window, first we need to change the layers to window. Then we draw a rectangle. We need to enter the distance of a lion, 5 feet, comma, 6 inches. Okay. Then we create the offset and enter a distance of 1 inches. Then we offset it. Wait, we need to explode first. We need to explode this rectangle first. already explode. So now we create offset again. Then we enter the distance of 1 inches. Then we offset it downward. And then for this line, we copy. Copy it to the midpoint. Then we use the trim tools to delete the unwanted line. This one. Okay. Then we need to make another window. So for that, I will draw a rectangle first. Then we use lion set fit, comma 10 inches into box. We need to move. Let's see. Move. Okay. So we need to select this one and explore this complete geometry. Then we use the offset tools again and type 2 inches. Then we select this line and downward. This one also. Let's see. Then for this line, we choose copy. Okay, so we use the trim tools to delete the unwanted line. So our window already finished. So let's convert them into the block. So for that, I will go create block and then we will name it as window 1, window 1. We choose the pick point here. Then we select the object. Okay. Then enter. Then click OK. Then we click one more. This one we name it as door 2. Window 2. Then we choose the grid point. and select Jack. Enter. And then click OK. So we can see them in the list. Okay. Insert. Yeah. In the insert list. So now we need to put the window and the doors into the room. Yeah, where's the room? Here. So for the window, we click this and we type copy. Now we choose rotate. Rotate. Then we choose copy and change like this. This one also. We choose copy. Okay, this rotate. And then we choose the point. We need to choose copy and turn like this. So now we put the window inside. Move here. Okay. We put the small one. Okay. Then move the door. over here. So we copy one more. So rotate. We adjust it. Okay. So we already pasang the door, pasang the windows in the room. So now we need to pasang the door. Okay. So for the big doors, we will put sorry, we will put the big door here. Then for the room door, we will put here. Then we copy one more here. Then we copy one more. And for this one, we need to rotate. Yeah. And then we use the string to delete the unwanted line like this. See? Okay, now rotate. Here. Use the string, delete the unwanted line. This one we need to adjust to make it look beauty. So we can enter the design center to put the furniture into our room. Copy and copy to other room. Yes. So this is my room furniture. So for next, I want to pictures. So for layer, I will choose to pictures. Then I choose pictures. Where is the pictures? Just like pictures. Then we choose solid and then view. Color. We fill the wall. Checking. Then we need to make sure our wall is brown color. Then we can close the edge correction. So now we need to change the text style first. So we need go to the annotation and click the text style and we choose standard, and then the font name we choose Simplix. This one. Then for text style we just put 0. Then we apply and close. And we text here. We need to put 1 feet. Okay. So we text here. So we text bedroom 1. Oh, sorry. We need to change the layer first. Text. Oh my god, it's so big. Bedroom 1, then this one go outside already. So now we need to change the text style first. So we need to go to the annotation and click the text style, and we choose standard, and then the font name we choose Simplix, this one. Then for text style we just put 0. Then we apply and close. And we text here. We need to put 1 feet. Okay. So we text here. So we text bedroom 1. Oh, sorry. We need to change the layer first. Text. Oh my god, it's so big. Bedroom 1, then this one go outside already. So this one we need to change to 1 feet. Then we type bedroom 1 and then click outside. So I'll change like that. Then we can copy it. So this one we put toilet. This one is bedroom 2. And then this one is kitchen. Kitchen. This one is we put dining area. And then this one we put living room. Living room. Okay. So we can adjust the dash. Okay. Alright. Okay, done. So now we need to linear the dimension, this one. So we need to change the layer to dimension. We right to click this. Then first we click the point from here until here. Oh, we can see that the number for the sign of dimension is more right. So we can go to the annotation. We create the dimension manager. This one. I think this one. Annotation, dimension manager. Oh, this one. And then we select dimension. This one. Then we create modify. And then we choose the fit. The use of overall scale we change to 5. Then we click OK. Close. So this one we delete. So we choose the dimension tools. Then we choose point here until here. Yeah. Sorry, a bit long. So for dimension, we need to add dimension. For that, we need to go the annotation, expand it, and if you have the dimension style manager, and we need click to the ISO 25, and then we create news, and then line. Continue. Then we color by red. Line. You can choose a line below. A layer, the line width. Choose. Then we choose we need to change the parameter. symbol and arrow. Yeah, for the primary units, we need to change the unit format to the architectural and transition. Yeah, then we say OK and close. So we create these two again. On, on, this one. Right, we need to start on here. Like, here until here. Okay. Then the kitchen. Here until here. Yep. We need to here until here. Then we use dimension again to point it in this. Okay. And we will do one more here until here. Retouch here. Enter. Yeah. So we can check in the bedroom 1, toilet, bedroom 2, kitchen, dining area, and living rooms. So we add dimension. We already add dimension. So for this assignment already done. So thank you for watching.